Welcome to LearnStation. Your ultimate destination for learning and success. Are you planning to live or work in Dubai? Or are you preparing for a new journey abroad? This video is specifically designed for beginners. It will help you start your new life with confidence. In this lesson, we have gathered the most important sentences you need for work, travel, and daily life in everywhere. Master these phrases and start your journey today. Let's begin. Nice to meet you. I am looking for a job. I have a lot of experience. I can start immediately. My English is good. I am a hardworking person. What is the salary? I accept the offer. When is the start date? I will send my CV. Good morning, team. I have a meeting now. Can you help me? I am busy right now. Send me the file. Everything is clear. I finished the task. Let's talk later. Who is the manager? I need a break. How much does it cost? Is there a discount? I want to pay by card. Can I have the receipt? This is too expensive. I am just looking. Do you have a smaller size? Where is the cashier? I want to exchange this. Keep the change. Take me to the airport. Stop here, please. Open the trunk. Where is the metro? I am lost. Turn right. Turn left. Go straight. Is it far from here? Call me a taxi. A table for two, please. The food is delicious. Check, please. No spicy, please. I have an allergy. I need a doctor. Call the police. I lost my phone. Where is the pharmacy? Help me, please. I am honored to be here. Can we discuss the project details? What are the main objectives? I will prepare the presentation. Let's brainstorm some ideas. I need your feedback on this. We should focus on the results. The meeting is rescheduled to Monday. I will handle this task. Please keep me updated. I agree with your point. I have a different suggestion. Let's find a solution. We are on the right track. Thank you for your support. The client is very happy. We need to cut costs. Innovation is our goal. I appreciate your hard work. Let's wrap up this meeting. I am looking for an apartment. How much is the annual rent? Is the due bill included? I need to open a bank account. Where can I apply for a visa? The air conditioning is not working. Can you send a technician? I need to renew my Emirates ID. Where is the nearest post office? Is there a gym in the building? I want to book a desert safari. Which mall is the best for shopping? Can I have a local SIM card? How do I top up my NUL card? The weather is very hot today. Let's go to the beach. Where can I park my car? Is parking free on Sundays? I need a car for rent. What is the profit margin? We need to sign the contract. Is this the final price? I am looking for investors. The market is growing fast. We need to hire more staff. Can I see the catalog? What are the payment terms? We offer a high-quality service. This is a win-win situation. I need a tax invoice. The transaction was successful. Please check the attachment. I am out of the office today. For urgent matters, call me. I will check my schedule. Let's fix a date for the call. I am working from home. The internet connection is unstable. Can you hear me clearly? Can you explain this further? I am sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you speak a bit slower? Thank you for your patience. It was a pleasure talking to you. Have a great weekend. Let's grab a coffee. What do you recommend? I am very interested in this. That sounds like a great plan. I will do my best. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. I am multitasking right now. We need to prioritize this. Can you send me the location map? I am on my way. I will be there in 5 minutes. I have arrived at the office. See you soon. Congratulations. You have taken a great step toward mastering the language of business and life in Dubai. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Watch this video again and practice these sentences every day. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to LearnStation. Like this video and share it with someone who is planning to travel. Thank you for watching. And we will see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing.